Welcome back to Talent Bath Inspirations Home Reels. We are now on our 6th episode where we'll finally share with you our picks. Whether you have an interior designer or an architect, it is still very important to be involved kung anong mga materials, especially yung mga finishing materials na gagamitin mo. Kasi yun ang mga physically makikita at magagamit mo firsthand. And for us, importante ang assurance that the materials that we have, especially the ones na hindi lang kami but also our guests will use ay maganda, durable at siguradong hindi kami mapapahiya. And so we want to make sure to get the best picks. It has been raining for the past few weeks, and for the safety of our people, we decided to pause the construction. And now, we're back to work. We now have our roof. Our roof is made of metal rib-type roofing and 10mm heat insulation double-side para matibay at hindi mainit since we have an area na high ceiling. We are very excited to shop for tiles and bathroom pieces since ang next step dito sa construction ay yung installation ng mga finishing materials. So samahan nyo kami as we show you our final picks. For our basement bathroom, we need a compact water closet and wash basin, so torn kami between arc water closet or vibrant water closet.
It's you and me in between these sheets. Whoa, oh, I'm in too deep and we're both losing control.
Now for our guest bathroom, we need a water closet that's comfortable para sa aming mga bisita and hygienic. Glaze protect with nanotechnology since iba-iba ang guest namin from time to time. So we chose BALLANO or Agora because for us ito ang pinaka-comfortable na gamitin. And easy to clean because of the stainless steel easy detached hinges. And of course, olive wash basin to match this.
I'm in too deep and we're both losing control.
Tagal-tagal kami namili at nakapag-decide on which bathroom pieces we will choose for each bathroom because we wanted to be perfect as much as possible. And syempre, yung mga ganitong bagay hindi madaling palitan kung hindi namin nagustuhan. Kaya talagang very hands-on and focused kami sa goal on what we want to achieve in every bathroom that we have. Ang pinaka nagustuhan namin dito is the size and design of the water closet. Plus, This one is one piece na concealed ang trapway para malinis tignan. Durable for its UFC 10 cover na stain and scratch proof na rin. And hygienic pa because it also has glaze protect with nanotechnology, which is a good addition since this will be the busiest water closet sa buong bahay. Now, ang pinaka-importanting bathroom sa buong vacation house, the master's bathroom. We're very specific on what we want and it is quite big compared to the other bathrooms. So, we chose Monarch and Willow, and of course for our bathtub, we chose Mod. It is important to choose the bathroom pieces that's right for you based on what you need and how you need it. These are some aspects of your house that you will use every day. So of course, you want to ensure that you invest in high quality pieces na alam mong tatagal at pasok sa aesthetics mo. We enjoyed shopping with you guys and hopefully nakatulong kami sa pagde-decide nyo para naman sa mga bathroom pieces nyo. We'll see you sa part 2 para naman sa mga tiles and flooring. For more info, go to any CW Home Depot branch or Cebu Home and Builder Center and look for Cool Path System. You may also visit our social media accounts.